Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here with a quick walkthrough of the Santa kit, and it releases today at 2 o'clock in my Etsy shop. And if you are one of the first 8 orders for this release, you will get one of these. So when you place your order, go ahead and put in the comment of your order, send me a note and say what your first choice would be. And I'll try and give you your first choice, and of course if it's okay and I don't have your first choice, I'll send you your second choice. So the first 8 orders are going to get one of these, and everybody that places an order before Sunday is going to get, I don't have one, but you're going to get 4 stamped pages for your kit. They will include the bells and the cool vintage Santa stamped on, and then some others as well. So you'll have some stamped pages for your journal or your paper crafting. So let's jump into this really quickly. First, let's start with your tassel kit. Tassel and trims. So you can use these for a tassel or something else. You're going to get some Georgia eyelash. This is the wired gold eyelash that I absolutely love, that Georgia found and worked out a deal. So I have some for these kits. So you're also going to get the plaid. You're going to get this little piece of green lace. I thought we could cut it and make it into tabs on the side. Would be really fun. You get this piece of material that I turned into a trim. You get this piece of lace. You get some of, this is the seam from the outside of the table runner that I used for the covers. So I cut a piece. We can probably use that for something. We've got some red eyelash, a little baker's twine, some red picot ribbon, this cool, looks like snowballs that Gretchen sent me, and this piece of material as well as this piece of ribbon. So all of those items, and then of course you can add some others if you want and make yourself a more fluffy tassel, or just use these on your tags and things inside. So let's go ahead and go to your cover kit. So this, and yes, it's Christmas in July, so my wrapping did not get here yet. So, and I have no idea where it's at. So we're using this for the Santa kit. So you get this really cool ribbon. It's, I don't know if it's vintage. It sure does look like it is. Some bling, a gold doily, this really neat square piece of material, some gold wired mesh, this piece of plaid, and it's folded in half, so you get this piece of wired plaid, and then also you get this piece of tapestry. So you know, if you work it right, you probably can make a big journal and a mini journal out of it. But I thought it was really cool, and when I did the live video, this one was chosen as the cover material for this kit. You know what? We'll just put it down here in its box, and I'm like on such a time crunch here. So this is the bag of fun stuff. You get this little baggie of sequins, and okay, so this is the Santa. So you get a gold card in an envelope. You get a nutcracker and elf, H-O, and so you can do O or ho, and a train. These little tags that I made. You get this little panel tag, this wishing you a very Merry Christmas. These tags, this ornament, a Rolodex card, a couple of white tags, These tags I just made with my Cricut. You get your little car sticker and some trees and some think-alike cards. You get this really cool card with the old Santa there and chimney Santa and 3 of these. And these 3 are stickers. And this set of stickers, these gold stickers, these are the little round, they have a hole in the middle so that you can put them on a tag. Gold label, Santa, reindeer, cardinal, candy cane present, stickers. This is a gift card holder. I thought it'd be really cool to be able to put some paper in there and turn it into a journaling spot. And, oh, we already did the sequins. Okay. So that is it. And you get the bag. So I like to make my packaging usually my packaging matches, and so that we can use it in the project. Okay, so these have both been seen. They can go down here. Next we have, let's do the findings real quick. And so we have the little cardboard that came out of your little bag. It has the pin in it to make the charm using the little snowman. You get gold and red bling. You get a variety of eyelets, including a red present and a green present. Here's your larger washer and your smaller washer for your tassels. Christmas tree, paper clip, clothespin, and a little teeny clothespin. 3 butterfly clips, a candy cane eyelet, a candy cane paper clip. I think you get a couple green stars and a couple yellow stars. This amazing bell is my favorite thing out of all the Christmas stuff. These bells that I found, and I'm sharing. I really wanted to hoard them to myself, but I'm sharing them in this Santa kit. Okay, the little ornament and the little bear. Isn't he cute? There's 2 of them. So you get 2 bears, 2 green presents, and then you get this bottle cap with the sticky thing that says Season's Greetings. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the paper things, and some of the papers are included in all of the kits that I have. I do still also have the basic paper kit like I showed in the live video, and I have found some awesome things to add to it. And so yeah. So we have the pine, the piece of pine. Those are not part of, I'll put you back. There you go. Okay, so here we go. This is the paper part. And again, you get, isn't that awesome? Oh, well, sorry. I did not get the right one. Or actually, the other ones have not come yet. So Santa on a napkin. He's only on the 1 square, but isn't he cool? And he is vintage. We got Santa stickers, and you get 8 stickers. Everybody's are different, but they are all like vintage, antique looking Santas. Get this. It's 2 tags. This card, I thought it was cool because it looked old. A vintage postcard. I love the back of this postcard. I think it's cool. Gold doily. This card is from 1979. And you get index card, tickets, so you'll be able to make the ticket paper clips. This one is 2-sided, so you'll be able to use either side. So is this. Then you get a large selection of these note papers. This one, elf class mail. So if you have an elf, you might use that for the day that elf goes home. If anybody's on the naughty list. Cardinal, poinsettias, Here's an elf on the shelf. So if you do the elf on the shelf, you can go ahead and use this maybe on your introductory page. A list page. Dear Santa, I've been really good, I swear. Oh, what fun. If you watch the Peanuts movie, Christmas movie, there's something for you to use there. Just some old fun stuff. We've got this Christmas card. I like these because they also have a design on the back, and I thought we could go ahead and put a pocket here. It'd be really cool. This one is a money holder, but also again could cut this in half and put it in a book as well. Same with this one. I thought we could cut it in half. Love this. This was the inspiration. Look at the back of this card, is beautiful too. Everybody gets a different Santa little coloring page. You've got this one, and a receipt, and a CD holder, and the flattened cupcake. This is what I use when I'm putting all of the findings. I have a cookie sheet or a cupcake muffin pan with these in it, and I put everybody's stuff in it, and then you get your cupcake holder. So there's Joy. You get 2 red and a white envelope, little ledger, find a word, and I tried to use ones that had to do with Santa. You get the ho 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 page and the ho 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 page. Get this really cool napkin. I think it's going to make beautiful tags. And so it's got holly on one side and poinsettias on the other. You turn it over and you get them again. So that was a great napkin. Get this little tiny bag here. A coffee filter. I bought the wrong size, so I just stuck them in the kits. Everybody gets a different Santa for the coloring book. You get some noisy paper, some green construction paper, some children's paper, and here is the Santa stamped. So you're gonna get, if you order your kits before Sunday, then you're gonna get 4 more stamped images, including another one of him and another one of the bells. But the Santa kits did get Santa and the bells added to them. You get this beautiful doily, this light page. This is so awesome. This folds up into an envelope. And a couple of the kits, the envelope is already folded, but you can just fold it out. I thought it would be really kind of fun to have it in the center of the signature. I just think it's really, really awesome. So I included that. We got this beautiful paper and this one, and then we have 3 different Santa wrapping papers, and you can watch. I've done a live video using wrapping paper, and I will be doing more. So there you go. You got a ledger paper in this kit and the ornaments, and then you got this. And you got this, and you will be able to use this for the 9 embellishment template that is in the files section and the Scrap All About It with Dearjuliejulie Facebook group. Check that out there, and it is a free template, and there's a video also of I think if you just look up, if you search template on my YouTube, you'll find the video of how I use the template to do 9 embellishment bases. Okay, so that is the Santa kit. So remember, if you're one of the first 8 kit orders today, you're going to receive either Santa or the snowman. So when you order, make sure you put in the memo whether you want Santa or the snowman. And then also, if you order before Sunday, you're going to receive the 4 extra stamped papers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.